Good evening, Mayor, members of the Council, and City Manager. I'm here today to present you the proposed new task force initiative led by Montebello Police Department, aimed at enhancing community engagement and crime prevention. The task force overview for today is to look at the Montebello Community Engagement and Crime Prevention Task Force. This is a collaborative initiative led by Montebello Police Department in partnership with public health services, social services, and nonprofits. In addition, we will be also utilizing local community organizations to enhance this task force. The task force mission is to implement crime prevention strategies while fostering trust between the law enforcement and the community. You may be asking yourself, why is the task force involvement so essential to us? Well, we want to look at three key items: leadership, public health safety, and address transparency within the community. The way that the task force will be addressing these three things is through Mary Fowlett's integrity leadership theory, which will emphasize the shared powers in decision making. This is essential with our task force to ensure that the community's voices and outside agencies feel like they are included in the decision making process and include transparency. Next, we'll be also looking at Kurt Lewis' democratic leadership model to show that the task force will foster collaboration with the community and also seek their engagement. This model encourages that open community and values of the community's input, which is a key in building trust within the law enforcement initiatives. Finally, we'll also be looking at Douglas McGuire's theory Y to reinforce the task force that will operate on the belief that its members are self-motivated and capable of managing themselves. This theory supports that the environment of empower and autonomy, which is crucial for keeping the team members motivated and engaged in the task force success and longevity. In addition, we'll also be looking at theoretical frameworks to support the crime prevention task force. This task force is structured using Max Weber's bureaucracy model and Henry Fowle's administrative principles. This is to support our decisions and our strategies in moving forward for the task force. This will ensure that we have a clear hierarchy and ensuring accountability and efficiency. By applying Max Weber's theory, by highlighting that each agency involved will have a specific role, allowing for specialization and coordination. In addition, incorporating Henry Fowle's unity of command will ensure that each member has a shared common goal that is underlined by the unified leadership. This will show that the task force has a strong and organized structure and will also ensure that we work cohesively across all different sectors, whether it's inside the organization or outside the organization, and ensure that the community understands our hierarchy and needs. In addition, to ensure effectiveness and efficiency, we will be also looking at the systems and quality of management. This will be integrated by Kant and Kahn's open system theory, which stresses that the importance of consistent interactions with external environments like the community and adapting strategies based on the feedback. By incorporating feedback loops, which will come from Mary Fowlett's theory, this will ensure that the task force is able to make real-life time adjustments, but also ensure that they are feeding back positive inputs. This will keep the crime prevention strategies to ensure that they are remaining relevant and effective to the community's needs and also adjust to outside externalities such as environment, economy, or any type of adaptations that are needed to made during this process to ensure the longevity of the task force. Before concluding today, I'd like to thank you, Mayor, and members of the Council and City Manager. The goal of the task force is to reduce crime rate and foster the community trust. We want to highlight the integration of leadership theories, organizational structure, and quality of management to ensure that the task force remains adaptable and successful. This will also enlighten the communities and engagement as well. So I'd like to thank everyone again for today's presentation. In addition, I'd like to open it up for any type of discussion or questions and Q&As. Thank you.